Another question, what are khandros, deities, yidams, dakas and dakinis? Buddhism comes with many new forms of beings. Could you please explain what they are and if they are seen as real living beings or just mythical creatures? We have the three refuge, Buddha, Dharma and Sangha. In the Vajrayana level, sometimes we say Lama, Yidam and khandros. It's more or less same. It's same. The Buddha is the teacher. The Lama is the teacher. Dharma is the practice. Yidam is the practice. And Sangha is the community or the people who help us to learn the Dharma. The khandro or dakas and dakinis or Vajra, Dharmapalas, they are the community, the people who are supposed to help us to learn the Dharma, clear our obstacles and help us to bring more energy in our path. So therefore, this is kind of Vajrayana way of presentation. Now, the Lama, as you know, is if a truly enlightened, or truly genuine Lama is like the Buddha, and Buddha is also a teacher, and a genuine Lama is as much a teacher. And also, a true Lama is also, there are 4 different kind of Lamas, and there is also our Buddha nature. So therefore, that's also a Lama, same. Yidam is there are lots of different methods Buddha taught, different yidams, different, like tantras, like Kalachakra, Guhe Samaja, He Vajra, all kind of different tantras. Sometimes we look at a drawing of some kind of a deity. We can call it deity if you like, because we have no other words for that. With different instruments and different we call that yidam, but actually it's not. That's just one symbol. The real yidam is the whole practice in it. There are lots of different teachings, methods on how to work on different levels of our body, mind, emotion, channels, breathing, all kind of thing. All this is the yidam, so that's the same as the Dharma, the practice. Now dakini, there's, of course, again, dakinis and dakas and dakinis and all these things, Dharmapala, so these are Sanskrit words, and it has many different meanings, many different types of meanings and different levels of meanings, and there are lots of dakinis, and sometimes, in India, dakinis are also referred to like fairies, or even like what can you say? Things like that, a little bit. People who are a little bit in the in a different level of practice, or different kinds, but generally, a dakini from the Vajrayana sense, is people who have the experience of the Dharma. That's a dakini. Dakini, same. It's a dakini is actually feminine word, and sometimes we make daka and dakini as male and female, but dakini also does not necessarily has to be a female. It's the daka or dakini, whatever we call it. It's translated in Tibetan as khandro. Khandro means like traveling in this space, in this space goer, meaning that the one who can travel in the space of the truth, way the things are. That if you can travel without obstruction, then you are dakini. So therefore, dakini in that sense means very kind of experience of the Dharma. So that's Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, Lama, Yidam, Khandro, or Gurus, Devas, Dakinis, same.